Hi, Chad Batchelder here, and today I'm bringing you our 2017 Nissan Frontier SV Crew Cab. This is a great little truck. It's the SV model, which is just nicely appointed 4x4, 4-liter V6 engine, 260 horsepower, 285 pound-feet of torque. It's in nice shape. Now, it just started snowing on me. I had this cleaned up. You can see here there are a few rock chips that have been touched up on it, and just a couple of little small ones on the front here, just to let you see a couple of them there. As we go around to the passenger side, the wheels, although a little dirty from being on our lot, in great shape, no curbing or anything like that. The tires were like 10 up to 11, 30 seconds all the way around, which is basically brand new. As we go along the side here, I didn't really notice too much. Again, a couple little rock chips, but really nice shape overall. No major scratches, anything like that. The rear wheel, just like the front, nice and clean. Brakes were 11 millimeters, I believe, all the way around. Which is basically brand new, but with only 11,000 kilometers on it, you'd expect them to be a little bit of scuffing right here on the side, and then on the top here, it's hard to see, but just a couple little, it was used as a truck. There's a little bit of scraping and scuffing just on that leading edge of the spoiler there. As we jump around to the side here, again, looking pretty good, and again, just on the top where it's been used as a truck, where there's a few little marks and stuff like that, with stuff being loaded in and out. It does have the plastic bed liner in it, as well as some snow for weight right now. Rear tire, again, looking really good. There's a couple along the side here, looking pretty good. It's tough when I got some snow on here. And it's so cold right now, I can't even wash it because everything will freeze up on me. But looking really good overall. Let's jump on the inside. So inside this machine, we are looking at power windows, power door locks, remote keyless entry, downhill assist, 4x4 system, traction control, air conditioning, heat, satellite radio. There is the USB connectivity and auxiliary right there. Bluetooth hands-free phone system, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, just nice condition. Seats, we're all looking good here. I always notice on these seats that it almost might look like there's some stains and marks as I'm looking through my screen versus it kind of right there. It's not something you really see on the seat themselves, it's just the texture of that open knit. Couple little marks just around the gear shift there. This vehicle is accident free, no collisions or claims on it at all. Back seat is looking fantastic. Oh, little mark right there on the back door. So yeah, so I just want to take a few minutes, let you see the condition of this vehicle. If you have any questions, you can reach me. Again, my name is Chad, and I can be reached toll-free at 1-800-542-0371. Again, that's toll-free, 1-800-542-0371.